The math on these digital antenna listings is getting absolutely ridiculous. I was scrolling through a popular online shop the other day and I saw a range claim that actually made me laugh out loud. There is this flat indoor antenna that everyone seems to be buying right now. It claims to have a signal range of 3,000 miles. Let that sink in for a moment. Not 30 miles, not 300 miles, 3,000. The entire diameter of our planet is only about 8,000 miles. If this little piece of plastic actually worked the way the box says, you could sit in California and watch a local news broadcast from the middle of the Atlantic Ocean. It is a total fantasy. It is a blatant lie that defies the laws of physics. Yet, we see these products topping the charts because the idea of free television is so incredibly appealing. I want to be fair though, because the actual technology here is decent. If you can look past the nonsense marketing, the hardware itself is usually quite solid. These are flat indoor units that plug right into your television. The setup takes maybe 3 minutes. You get your local channels like ABC, CBS, NBC, and Fox without a monthly bill. The surprising part is that the picture quality is often way better than what you get with expensive cable. Cable companies compress their signals to squeeze more channels into the wire. Broadcast signals coming through the air are uncompressed. They are sharp and vibrant in full high definition. For less than $20, it is one of the easiest ways to cut the cord and save a ton of money. The long cable included with these units is a great feature because where you put the antenna matters a lot for your reception. But then we get back to those wild claims. Some of these listings even say you can get premium cable networks like HBO or CNN. That is just not how antennas work. Those are paid cable networks. They are encrypted. They do not travel over the air for free. It is a trick to catch people who are tired of high bills. Every single indoor antenna on the market is limited by the same physical constraints. Your distance to the broadcast tower is the only factor that counts. Even the best outdoor antennas on the market top out at about 70 miles. Realistically, an indoor version is only going to work well within 40 or 50 miles in perfect conditions. Before you spend any money, you need to check the official government signal maps. Search for the Federal Television Rescan tool online. Enter your specific address. It will show you exactly which channels you can actually reach based on the hills and buildings around you. That map is the only thing you should trust. If you live in a city or a suburb near the towers, a cheap antenna is a fantastic investment. It will work perfectly and save you a fortune. If you are deep in the woods or far from a city, you need a different plan. You'll probably need an antenna mounted on your roof or in your attic. The hardware in these budget models is perfectly fine for what it is. The problem is that the marketing is so inflated it becomes a joke. Do your homework first. Check your local towers. If the distance is right, go ahead and grab one. Just do not expect to pick up a signal from the other side of the country. Stay smart and do not let the flashy numbers fool you. Free television is a great reality as long as you stay within the laws of physics.